Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Shoot. I am Victor Tong, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please go and click the ding dong bell now, especially if you are a photography or videography enthusiast, because you wouldn't want to miss out our tutorials. So, what am I going to be doing today? I will show you guys how to use Photoshop and to create some canvas fill into your photo. If you have not watched the previous episode of oil painting through photography, please stop right here and watch the episode first. Then only come back to this episode, because I'm going to be using the same photo to show you guys how to use masking and also add texture to your photos. As you are seeing right now on the screen, the photo itself is already very, for myself in my own opinion, it's very perfect already. But because I want to have more canvas feel, okay, oil painting feel, I got to enhance the photo in Photoshop. That is where I say, okay, photo shooting or videography also, it is very important to get it right in the camera itself. And this is where and why I'm so proud of the Panasonic Lumix S5. It can maintain the color accuracy very well. I mean, before I was a user of Panasonic, of course I was very skeptical about this product, but after using it for quite some time, I can honestly tell you the color accuracy is superb. Alright guys, we are in Photoshop right now, and we have already opened up two of the photos. One is with the highlights and then the other one is without the highlights here, right? So this is where the masking part comes in. Part 1, masking. How do you do masking? But before we go on to show you how to use it, what tools are required is gonna be the brush tool, and then make sure that you have already set your color to white or black. The easiest part to understand masking is white reveals, black hides. White reveals, black hides. Let me show you right now how do you do masking and how do I bring these highlights to this photo. Okay, all you need to do is go on to this photo, press Ctrl A and Ctrl C so that you can copy this photo and go on to the other file, and just press Ctrl V, which is paste. So, how do you use the mask function? Simple. After pasting the photos that you need, just press alternate and then go to this icon here where you see this square thingy and circle thingy in the bottom, and click on it, and then you'll see this black color box appear. This black color box appear will actually hide the photo that was showing. They actually hide this away. So like I said earlier, white reveals and black hide. So what you need to do is go on to the brush tool, alright, and then at this color here, the foreground color, make sure you set it to white because you want to reveal the highlights. So how do you set it to white? Easy, there's a shortcut key where you can just simply press X. See? X back to black, X back to white. Okay? I'll just zoom in closer for you guys to see. Alright, make sure that your brush size is smaller because you wouldn't want to paint anything out of it apart from the highlights, right? So all you need to do right now, make sure brush to white and then start painting like an artist. See? So simple. And also usually for if you want it to be more detailed and then you want it to not have the rough edge, you can actually change the brush size or brush flow and also the brush opacity, right? But for this photo, I think it is fine. And there you go, this is what masking is for. See? Look at the difference. Done with the masking. Right now I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add texture into your photo. So part 2, adding texture to your photo. This is the most simple thing to do. So what you need to do right now is, let's just open up this texture, and then all you need to do is Ctrl A, that means you're going to be selecting everything, and then Ctrl C to copy everything and move on to your photos, and then Ctrl V, which you are going to paste it on top of the photo. So here is the magic.
this here is gonna be the blending mode. Usually there's a lot of people using the overlay method, but as you can see here, it actually changed the contrast a lot, and then I wouldn't really use the overlay that much because usually I'll use the soft light blending mode because it is much softer and also it does not add too much contrast to the overall photo. Let me show you the difference between the overlay blending mode and right now you can see is the soft light blending mode. Can you see the difference of overlay and soft light? Overlay and soft light. Reduce contrast and it's a little bit more subtle, and if you think it's just too much here, what you need to do is just reduce the opacity, and then out it. Right now, another tip for you guys before I end this video is, if let's say that you can't find any texture without color on it, you might like this, okay? You might like this, but it's actually in yellow. Right, so what you need to do, let me just show you. I'll open this up in Photoshop again, same thing, Ctrl A to copy this photo, Ctrl C, and then move back to your photo, alright, and press Ctrl V to paste it on top of your photo. If you notice right now, if I were to change the blending mode to soft light, you can see that the overall changes of this photo has become yellowish. How do you change this color? Simple thing, go to adjustment, click on the vibrance, okay, the set the vibrance level, and hold on alternate. Bring your mouse in between the vibrance adjustment layer level and also the other picture, then you will see this icon appearing. That means whatever effect that you are changing here is only gonna be affecting this particular layer. Right? What you need to do is just bring down the vibrance, bring down the saturation so that both color, see, it does not affect the color at all already.
搞定. See, so easy. I think I used less than 1 minute and now you are a master in masking and master in adding texture to your photos already. You know why? Just because you are watching how to shoot tutorial channel. So if you think this is beneficial to you and right now it is helping you into increasing your Photoshop skills, right? Please share it with your friends also, and please don't forget to press the ding dong bell. Why? Because it will make you from expert become super expert, become super expert. No budget to do crawler. Anyway guys, I am Victor Tong. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.